A grand dining room features a marble table with red velvet chairs under a crystal chandelier. A warm fireplace, round mirror, and scenic mountain views create an inviting aura. This bright space offers a marble table with white chairs and a gold floral tray. Natural light from the window illuminates the neutral decor, a cozy sofa, and the sleek wall TV. This sophisticated room highlights a marble table with green velvet chairs and gold legs. A lily centerpiece, gold floor lamp, and a tan leather couch complete the elegant look. Teal velvet chairs with gold legs surround a marble table set with gold plates. A floral centerpiece, large windows, and a wall-mounted TV define this modern, luxurious space. Dark green velvet chairs and gold accents frame a marble table with a lush centerpiece. Large black-framed windows offer greenery views, complemented by a cozy cream armchair. A round marble table for four is paired with green velvet chairs and white flowers. Fiddle-leaf greenery, natural light, and hardwood floors create a fresh, sophisticated vibe. Red velvet chairs and a marble table sit beneath a crystal chandelier. A silver-framed mirror reflects the room, while a fireplace and mountain views add a touch of tranquility. This contemporary dining area features a glass table with red velvet chairs and gold accents. A gray sofa and wall-mounted TV sit nearby, illuminated by soft, natural sunlight. Red napkins and gold chargers adorn a marble table with red velvet chairs. A crystal chandelier, white fireplace, and mountain views enhance this formal, gray-toned interior. Green velvet chairs with gold legs surround a marble table and floral vase. A tufted beige sofa and gold floor lamp sit nearby, creating a balanced, neutral, and modern space. Cream-upholstered chairs surround a marble table in this sun-drenched room. A large TV, gray sofa, and dark hardwood floors blend functionality with a high-end, classic style. A long glass table with red velvet chairs serves as the focal point here. A gray sofa with yellow pillows, a gold lamp, and light wood floors create a vibrant, modern energy. Teal velvet and gold accents shine in this elegant room. A marble table with white flowers is paired with a sleek TV and light sofa, all bathed in soft, natural window light. A long marble table with gold-trimmed chairs sits under a crystal chandelier. A gray sofa, wall-mounted TV, and dark wood floors create a truly sophisticated dining ambience. This spacious layout features a marble table with beige chairs and gold candle trays. A light gray sofa, potted plants, and sheer white curtains offer a comfortable elegance.